Hey there, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself home projects and real home product reviews. I'm a handyman wannabe slash dad looking to save y'all time and money out there. In this video, we're going to be reviewing this vanity set. It's a 30-inch vanity set, and also throw in some links for the matching mirror and this above the toilet storage system that is wall mounted. Highly recommended. They all kind of go together, a classy kind of white finish, nice beautiful beveled doors right there. Let's get a closer look at this vanity set. Again, 30 inches wide. For more specific, dimensions and specifications, make sure you read up on this below. I will put a link to a similar model or the specific model depending on availability. But here's a look at the countertop. It was all included, and we might as well look at the faucet too while we're at it. We opted for a nice brushed nickel. We thought it complemented the countertop color and the that white finish for the vanity really well, with of course the matching drain there. So that looks, I think, really nice. There's another shot from above. So that sink is included in the mold for the countertop. And there it is, another shot looking at the back, how it met up against the wall. Now we actually installed these little, soft squishy things. Those were not included because there was a little bit of banging as you closed it, but not bad at all. Nothing that the little squishy cushions couldn't handle. There's a look at the hinges there, very high quality metal hinges. Let's get underneath so you can see all the plumbing if you're interested in doing this yourself and how this works. There's the trap and your two water lines. Obviously you want to call a plumber and have this professionally installed if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, but a pretty easy do-it-yourself job, making sure those water lines are nice and tight so there's no leaking and whatnot. All right, back to the vanity. If you pull that out, you'll notice it's a beautiful glide, nice and quiet, ultra quiet actually, giving it kind of a really classy feel. Here's a closer look at the woodworking there and the glides for the drawer, made of metal, not plastic, right? So really high quality little vanity. We're pretty happy with it. Here's another look at kind of what that looks like. Now, incidentally, I'll mention we also redid the bathroom. So here's the faucet. Again, that brushed nickel that matches the vanity faucet, and the handle and the shower head is right there. I'll throw links down below too if you're interested in kind of redoing your entire set and you're looking for a matching nice unit. So overall, we highly recommend this. It's almost a couple of years old now and has held up well. Durable, classy, beautiful look to it. So hopefully this video has been helpful in you making a good purchasing decision. For more do-it-yourself home projects and product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for being with me.